With summer right around the corner, I don't want to use my money on a lot of groceries. I want to be bougie on a budget. Let's make a Big Mac egg roll keto style. Let me show you how. Let's start out by throwing a pound of ground beef down on the griddle. We are gonna season this with our bootleg burger. This is made by Blackstone. This is so good for your burgers, guys. Did you guys know they make this cutting board attachment for your 36-inch griddles? These are amazing. They sit right on your arm here on the griddle, and they are solid. You can dice and chop right on them and then remove them to make them very easy cleanup. I have the little snack crunchers. This is dill. Let's chop them up and get at it. All right, guys, for this recipe, I'm gonna make a special sauce. We are gonna make Blackstone Betty's burger sauce. If you don't know her, check her out. She's on all platforms. She's a griddle pro. She's amazing. Let's get to it and let's see how it tastes. So into the bowl, we have our white onion that we had chopped up. It's half of a small onion or so. Duke's mayo, of course, because that is what we like around here, our Duke's mayo.
I approve this message.
We have some mustard. This is True Made Foods ketchup, guys. Sugar-free, amazing. If you haven't checked them out, check them out. Blackstone Betty says squeeze bottle style pickle juice. I'm totally rocking that. Let's do the pickle juice. Worcestershire sauce. Salt and pepper. And some paprika. Mince up some fresh garlic. Now we are going to open this up, put it in, give all of this a stir. This looks delicious. Let's give it a taste. That's delicious. Thank you, Betty. It's amazing. All right, so I have Cut Da Carb Flatbreads, fold it in half, kind of press it. And then I'm gonna tear it, just like so. And we're gonna continue on doing that until all our flatbreads are torn. So I put a piece of cheese in. We're gonna add some of our hamburger meat here. A little bit of our pickle, a little bit of our onion, some of Betty's sauce, and then more cheese. Why not? And for a fun little side, we're gonna use this jutsu grilling cheese. We're gonna cut it up like little French fries and eat that as a side. Let's spray it with a little oil. All right, we are gonna take these and put them down seam side up. We're gonna take these and put these seam side down and start shallow frying them. Let's coat the tops of these with a little bit of the bootleg burger sauce. Let's just kind of sprinkle dust these, give it a little extra flavor. Let's start grilling our cheese.
Let me ask you a question.
Oh no, what?
How many clicks is the proper amount of clicks on a pair of tongs?
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want to see how this burger sauce is really made, check out Blackstone Betty's page. Check out her video, Dinner on the Blackstone with Blackstone Betty, and you will see her make it herself. Today, I'm gonna try it and I can't wait. This is gonna be delicious. Mmm. So good. That tastes just like a Big Mac without half the carbs. You're definitely gonna have to give this a try, my keto rebels. Until next time.